Children, today we are going to cover another important topic which is not coming in your turn to exam, but it will be the part of subject enrichment, that is your turn to activity. Okay, so let's go ahead. You can see two line segments, right? If I say, what do you see on your screen? Two line segments. What can you say about the two line segments? If you see the two line segments, what can you say? Some will say it is parallel. Some will say the two line segments are not equal in length. One is greater in length, one has smaller length. Yes, one has bigger length, one has smaller length. So generally what are we doing? We are comparing. Okay, so we are compare. Like this, can we compare other things also? Like for example, if I say these two things, okay, these two things, this is what? Duster, chalk. Again we are comparing. Duster is bigger, chalk is smaller, right? So again we are comparing. So children, like this we can compare the quantities, which is your chapter 8 in mathematics. Okay, comparing quantities. Now how can we compare the quantities? We compare the quantities with the help of ratio, proportion, right? We used to compare the quantities through ratios, through proportions, then through percentage, right? Her percentage is more, mine is less. I won't be able to get A1 certificate, right? So percentage, then profit, loss. Yes, she bought a pen for rupees 5. I bought the same pen for rupees 10. Mine is, I am at loss. She got a profit of 5 rupees. Okay, so comparing, then loss percentage also, profit percentage also we take out to compare. Then, like suppose if we keep money in the bank, every year we get some amount for that is known as getting interest. That is the charged money for a money for an amount of money which is being given or borrowed. Okay, correct? So that is what? That is interest. That is simple interest. Simple interest, okay, very simple, we've studied about it. P into R into T by 100 is actually simple interest, right? Where P is the principal, the amount which we borrow or we take, rate, at what rate, like for example bank always it has a benchmark of rates, right, for giving the money, then for what time, divided by 100, okay, and that's how we get the percentage. So simple interest is P into R into T by 100. Got it? Now sometimes if you see this interest which you get, like for example if you have given somebody 100 rupees, he or she is going to pay rupees 120 at after 1 year, okay, at whatever rate you have decided, like 5%, 10%. Got it? So this is very, very simple, right? But children, when we do the same thing in the bank, like for example when we keep the money in the bank, we get an interest. Okay, every year we get interest if the amount is same. But every year the interest we get is not same. So the interest increases gradually. Okay, why? Because the money charged is not simple. Okay, the money which is charged, that is the interest, is not simple. We always get an interest on the amount which is for the previous year. Now what do you understand by that? I'll tell you. Like for example, we'll take a very simple example, 100 rupees, okay, you gave 100 rupees to your neighbor, okay, 100 rupees to your neighbor at 5% of interest what she will give, and after 2 years what she will give. So we will take it for 1 year, find it for 1 year. That is P. Interest is just write interest P into R into T by 100. That is 100 into 5 into 1 by 100. 100 and 100 got cancelled. 5 rupees. Okay. So what she will pay? 5 rupees as interest. Okay. Now this is for 1 year. Now we have to find for second year. This became for 1 year. Now we go for second year. For second year, what does your principal becomes? Now your principal becomes, the amount becomes P plus I. That is 100 plus 5. Okay. And this is 105. Now again take out the interest for this. Interest for this, that is P into R into T by 100. That is 105 into 5 into 1 by 100. Okay children, and you get your answer. So you can see here the amount varies, the principal varies every year, therefore the interest also varies every year, and such interest is not simple interest, but it is interest which is compounded, okay, or you can say compound interest. Okay, now let's find out